Now, let's look at the workers naman or tourism providers and how they affect the erosion of the beach area in Boracay, no? Let's say there are 36,000 workers in the island, and let's say mga one-third of them would be going to the beach every day as part of their job, no? So that one-third is around 12,000. And then they work 5 days a week. So that would be 20 days times 12 months. That's 240 days. Now, i-compute natin ngayon, no? 12,000 times 20 grams of sand na inaalis nila, and then times 240 days that they go to the beach. And that would be about 57,600,000 grams or 57,600 kilograms na kung i-equate natin sa number of dump trucks, that would be about 9.6 dump trucks. So, kung ito-total natin ang impact ng turista and tourism workers sa Boracay Island, the total would be about 20 dump trucks for the tourists and 9.6 dump trucks for the tourism workers. So, that would be equivalent to 29.6 dump trucks, no? Na load ng sand na nawawala per year sa Boracay Island.
Malaking issue yun dahil, mali pa sa sea level rise, 'di ba, conscious collection ng some material and then, marami pang puwedeng mangyari, tiyatagin ng hangin o kaya nagkakaroon ng offshore quarrying, hindi natin alam and o may puwedeng may gawin sila na beach management na sa halip na makatulong ay makabawas pa. So 'pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, ang laking issue nun 'no, na malaki rin ang contribution ng beer presence ng tourists and employees sa beach area.